Horses out. There was a spill. Jackie Louis Balboa again, left unseated. We have Empire Glory fast to begin right here, right now in second. Crystal's Beauty Danori inside. 2 lengths away in fourth comes number 5, No Guts, No Glory. Danori inside, Jonas Recipe, My Sweet Leonora, Mr. Environment. And Hoy Jasper trails the field. They swing into the back. 2 horses fighting out for the lead. Empire Glory by the neck right here, right now in second. 7 lengths away in third. Crystal's Beauty, Jonas Recipe. Empire Glory, or rather No Guts, No Glory is racing in fifth. Mr. Environment. And it's still Empire Glory, and right here, right now, fighting out for the lead. Crystal's Beauty remains in third, and followed by No Guts, No Glory in fourth. Right here, right now, takes the lead. Down inside is Empire Glory, and in third, Crystal's Beauty. While No Guts, No Glory racing with us, they come down at the last 200. And it's still right here, right now, by about 2 lengths. Moving up on the outside, Crystal's Beauty. Danori inside is Empire Glory. Last 100 meters. We have right here, right now, followed now by Crystal's Beauty, and finally right here, right now, Crystal's Beauty, Empire Glory, then comes Hoy Jasper.
Talaga mabuti